Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and in this video I'll explain how to use Google Finance in under 3 minutes. I'll explain the basics which each and every investor must have a look at cause it's very useful especially for retail investors. So let's get into video. As soon as you sign into Google Finance, at the top of the page you can see foreign markets such as US, Europe and some Asian market indexes and also some prominent currency and crypto market too. Here you can see the top movers in my watch list. Basically, these are the companies that had the most trade done in this particular day, and in percentage terms, they moved more than any other stocks. With this one slide, you'll get to know the most active stock in your portfolio, or in this case, your watch list. Now, all you need to do is find out why this stock moved so much. As you can see, the watch list that I have is named as AOG Fund Management. That's the name I have given, and you can segregate your portfolio into multiple watch lists and have look at them individually here. This is the most important advantage of having watch list in Google Finance or screener.in. For those who want to know more about screener.in, check here. Check this video. Moving on, thanks to Google Finance, we will get updates on upcoming quarterly or annual financial reports so we can plan beforehand. Here you can have access to all the top financial news for the day. It's a known fact that over 90% internet users are on Google, and with users come news providers too. So with Google Finance, you will get all the top financial news you want in regards to finance, sometimes other news too at one spot. The best part is when we get into our watch list. So let's check that out. By clicking here, you can get to your watch list. And this is my watch list. Now, this is the main reason why I have been using Google Finance. You get news of those companies that are on your watch list. Think of the benefit here. With Google, you get news of those companies that you want to know more about. Suppose you have invested in IRCTC. Once you put the company in your watch list, you will get almost all the news articles, updates about IRCTC here. You need not go anywhere else in search of news. Now that's very convenient. Check the link in the description. I have attached an article that might be of use to all of you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.